seller gave me this, and he said he still has a wedding gift for me.
Kisha need washing machine for the business.
Chalo, you follow me get video. Thank you. Supposed to be rushing out.
To kill social anxiety.
Yes.
Zara's recipe and confectionery cakes and pastries.
Hi guys. Let's take care of our nails and
Guys, I came to Zara's place and this girl made the proper renovation na room ya. Chunaza. I'm gonna to give you people room tour. I'm room tour. Come make a video. I'm a go to bed. You can make a video na room. Vlog. Imagine your first vlog of 2026. Zara and I we are going out now. Girls-ish. She's all dressed. Meanwhile, we are watching my vlog. Guys, see, we are watching my vlog. So please catch up. Try and catch up. Let's cover our belly because super. I'm all dressed, guys. I don't know if I'll vlog outside because my battery is actually low. We are going to play. Thank you, baby. Hi guys, Zara and I were currently going out. We are dressing. We were watching my vlog to actually people. I don't know if the TV sound is disturbing us, but this is my feet. This is my feet. Let me show you guys this. This TV is too loud. We are just going out to have some fun, like play as an girls aboard. So we are going. I said I will go out this year. We are currently ready to go out.
Yeah. See you all.
My friend, maybe also whatever. Yes.
I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of faith.
made us food. Mara will always make me food. How do I know that this thing is friendly now? That's my call when I Hi, Nurse Charming.
Brother-in-law gave me this, and he said he still has a wedding gift for me.
Hey, God, while I phone never do wedding. No. Hey, this place is brighter.
I'm sure you're not in I'm sure you're not in
Hi guys, live in Accra. Oh wait.
I'm in anybody.
Hiya. Hi. Good morning, guys. Oh. Well, how you all doing? Happy New Year again. Well, my brother and I now we're going out to somewhere called Abatna in Enugu. If you know there, we're going there to get microwave for his store. He's trying to open a dry cleaning. He's trying to open a dry cleaning business? Oh God, I don't know, but he shall need washing machine for the business, so we are going to get it now. Himself and my mom will go there. My dad will be waiting for us somewhere around there because he's the one driving all of us back home. Can you guys hear me? Was I talking to myself? Anywho, that's it. I don't want to waste more time because they've been waiting for me for the past 2 hours, guys. Jeez, am I that important? Bye guys, love you.
It is not spin. Yeah? Other ones not spin. Some say I've been not spin. So yeah, my car kita not spin. Yeah, need not spin. Yeah, not spin. Yeah, not spin. Yeah, not spin. Yeah, not spin. Yota. On the air base support.
Okay. Carbohydrates. What about the dryer? You go ship it in photo. I know. And I can't dry with the blankets.
Yeah, I get that. It works with compression. Only they can in the bar before dryer. So it will dryer now. It will do veneer. So say I beg
Do vagabeba as a child.
Yes.
Okay.
Depending on the size of the
Okay, the headstone is big now. God, if I bigger difference of 20,000. Sure. What's not 400? 370. Think you're going on now. 18 one.
Biko, come here. Cherry Genedia. This is our washing machine in the house. You don't land. See the video, the good can declare.
So no, Junior Paftanian.
Junior Tiana Canam. Daddy got a feeling like melon sometimes. Teaching be careful. Show me now. Show me. Okay, to play. Automatic washing machine. Oh, and you can have home half.
Can be a bit chopping.
This night. Our blanket. Yes, blanket and bedsheet. I will make it. Businessman. What's your call? I'm serious. This is you tell I can be your first customer, so you're gonna treat us right. I will do my pay shop. Talk fast, we have things to do.
Open it. Unboxing.
Unboxing. I'm on fire. How much is money? It's nothing. Money.
Hey, premium or not?
Now you know.
No, there's a way you remove the carton.
I don't care.
Mbao. Raise the
How much is money? It's nothing. Now you know. Father's house. Yes. I know now our father's house. That's fine. Dryer.
But I got the phone to use and I'm back to stealing the kitchen.
You have to say,
Instructions is here we wash your clothes and rinse it. Or dry or the water. So you get I can handle washing machine.
Unbox Chanya. Unbox. We'll remove the other one.
Warranty year good.
2 years.
I'll be like washing machine. I'm a millionaire low key. Me now, you should not me advise you to open the business.
Yeah, Maka.
I swear Almighty God. Never can.
I want the wolf thing. Remove it.
Oh. Burning. Wahala. Premium and nothing.
This house is full of chaos. It's very fine.
Jet drive. Wash.
Get that pipe up there, Maka.
All the inside.
Wolf the chain nylon and wolf thing. We don't start the business. We do the. I get me funi aka now. I can ask you. See ya ni mbamba. See ya otan ni meba. Era fumbi dori ya ka dokwa ni akozo.
Na the cleaner sam.
Nyenku. Adokwa ni ya akozo. Mada adokwa ni ozo. Yes.
Unboxing time.
You go to your back, if you go to the
But just 7 question. I'm on you.
Oh, I'm not sure. So for iron,
Get inside the boom.
exactly.
Hi guys. Let me on my lights.
Don't say anything about it.
Hi my love. Okay, you just said it now. You just said it now. Hey.
Say it.
Hi, Izzy, come.
No, don't say anything about it.
Guys, Izzy and I, we are going out to go and buy. Bianso now. Bianso now. Rubbish. You need waste my memory. Please come here. When you buy your own, you can waste my memory the way you like. Hi. You make a shout. People want to be shout. Let's go to the market.
No!
Isn't it fast?
I'm content with it now.
Isn't it? Oh yeah. We go action. We go. We're going to the market. In Yemku. One, be out with the shitty side, ma. 1, 2, other than me. 1, 2, no. Action. Let's go to the. Isn't it now?
We are going to the market.
Let's go to the market.
Yes, we are going to.
Oh, we are going to the market.
Let's go to the market.
We are going to the market. Oh yeah.
We are going.
Action. We are going to the market.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love secret line, like leaves we soar so high.
I go for you.
Soft touch your hand in mine gets me.
Isn't it? Any difference? I better say hi.
Chalo, you follow me get video. Video this shit.
I sent this on my skin. Jesus. How? How now? Yeah, God forbid evil.
In the neon glow, as the leaves change color, I'll dive into you when summer's fading. There's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season.
Like, I'm not even leave this thing. It's not ideal. It's not ideal. What the hell? Guys, see what we're doing with Hollandia. Hollandia, come and sign us. You know what they used to do? I need to shinya, like, to the face, so that you know the things like sweet. If you allow it to melt, if you allow this thing to melt, it will start pouring.
As the leaves change color, I dive into you when summer's fading. There's nothing
This sun ahead, guys, see our ice cream. Funny.
maybe this is the season. As the leaves change color, I dive in.
Hi guys. So myself and Sarah. We came here to do a client slash. Oh, I thought there was a mirror here.
No.
Oh, okay. Zamzam, come.
Okay.
So Zara and I, we came to fix someone's lash.
Yes.
And we are done. This store is so nice. Like, I love ladies that are working hard though. And see the owner. See the owner of the store. Esther.
We are going to get lashing.
But the lash is actually nice.
Yes, now.
Tuzoea pia ni nyumba.
Shine. Thank you. Shine.
Is it Zamzam? Thank you. Is it?
God, the way.
Hey, witness. So guys, what? They can't hear you.
Your work.
Hmm?
You have iPhone. All work can come in. All deals can come in now. I have to go ready. I have the food ready now. So we are now fully ready for you guys. I can bring hot deals for you guys.
Jesus, I wish I fixed my. I swear. Hi. Oh, let me take this out. Good evening, everyone. Long time no vlog. In case you're joining this page for the first time, if you're meeting me for the first time, I'm Daisy, and this is our YouTube channel. We are also on other platforms, same name you're seeing on the screen, so try to catch up. Anywho, the girls and I, let me try to, this lights do better. The girls and I were going to the cinema today, so I decided to vlog. Am I driving myself? I don't know. Let me check if I will. Guys, we have a lot of unboxing to do. See them there. Anywho, I'm happy to be vlogging now. Let's go because I'm late. So guys, for the scent of the day, I'm using Camera, this dimmer perfume, and which one again? This Latafa one, this one. So that's what I'll be using for today. So guys, this is my outfit for the day. How do I look? Rate me. Well, off to the car. So I actually unboxed this thing. I forgot to show you them. Guys, don't worry. We have a camera now, so it's not going to be business as usual. But I actually unboxed this selfie stick. It's very nice. It's very nice, guys. Unbox. See, it came in this pack, and it has carrier pouch, which I love so much. And then this is I call it quadrupod because it has 4 legs. Let me show you guys. I actually was supposed to unbox this thing here, but I had to do it for TikTok because of my Temu episodes. So this is it. You can widen it as you want. It's very nice. I'm not even going to lie, like, it's super nice. Very nice. It also has a Bluetooth shutter. This is it. Guys, I'm sorry that I'm doing this unbox anyhow, but it's fine regardless, right? It also has this Bluetooth shutter. And guys, let's go, please. I'm late. Let's go. You don't make me fall in love, they still call me pocket boy. This is how we do the work with the boss. Guys, I don't know my way. I don't know why I'm even doing this. I'm supposed to be rushing out. She carried hey, I could bend that way. My baby making me surrender. For this is my time, they mental. What do you do me? What do you do me? What do you do me? I'm move for love. I make praise for the love. Guys, I'm currently at Spa. Everywhere is so full because today is Sunday. I don't like coming here on Sundays. I'm almost late, guys. Well, I'm trying my best. Secure social anxiety. Kariri. Guys, it's my baby. Your baby. Can you put your baby? Yeah, guys, see Kariri's baby. Onyala. I'm going for mineral because I got them on. 1, 2, go.
When I wake up, I'm feeling my S. I bend over, I do my little stretch. Ain't no jellyfish, but I'm the catch. Feel like that fish, so I'm puffing my chest. I blow bubbles so big like Mrs. Puff. I be locking like notices and lock. Ain't fancy like notices.
Hi guys. So I just finished watching I Like to Dawn. And it was fantastic. Like it took me through a lot of roller coaster. Guys, like they're doing karaoke here. I'm filming you. Bye everyone. Guys, Guys, see hold up inside spa. See traffic. Eh? If we hi, my love. Happy matriculation. No, be only you sabi video person.
Guys,
Yes.
I love Babacha.
You love what which abacha? Film and where? Yes, so big tummy. Film and where? I dey follow you. Isn't it? Help yourself. Why are you eating and walking around? Isn't it? Why are you eating and parading? You love food, you love abacha. Why are you eating and parading? Footballer. Guys, his name is Fish Cherish. And she was once a footballer. No, she's an interior decor. People can see she's matching with her takeaway. Pink up there, pink up. Guys, Jesus. This house flies. I hate them.